What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6 o'clock, to start my daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6 o'clock, to start my daily routine.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up early every day because it helps me organize my day better.
What do you do after waking up?
After waking up, I slowly get out of bed and make my bed neatly.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed every morning because I like my room clean.
What do you do next?
After making my bed, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth carefully.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh and awake.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I take a warm shower every morning to feel relaxed and ready.
What do you do after showering?
After showering, I get dressed in clean clothes and comb my hair.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast because it gives me energy for the day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit because they are healthy foods.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes I drink coffee in the morning because it helps me stay awake.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I pack my bag with books and important school materials.
How do you go to school?
I usually walk to school because my school is near my house.
Do you enjoy walking to school?
Yes, I enjoy walking because the morning air feels fresh and relaxing.
What do you do at school?
When I arrive at school, I greet my friends and prepare for classes.
Do you listen to your teacher?
Yes, I listen carefully to my teacher to understand the lessons clearly.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, I take notes in my notebook to remember important information later.
What do you do during breaks?
During break time, I talk with my friends and relax for a few minutes.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch at school because it is easy and convenient.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken during lunchtime.
Do you drink water during the day?
Yes, I drink water often because it helps me stay healthy.
How do you feel after school?
I feel a little tired, but I am happy after learning new things.
What do you do when you go home?
When I go home, I change my clothes and take a short rest.
Do you watch television?
Yes, I watch television for a short time to relax after school.
When do you do your homework?
I usually do my homework in the evening after resting for a while.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books in the evening because reading improves my knowledge.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I help my family by cleaning my room and washing dishes.
Do you cook sometimes?
Sometimes I cook simple meals because I enjoy learning cooking skills.
What do you do before dinner?
Before dinner, I sometimes help my parents prepare food in the kitchen.
Do you eat dinner together?
Yes, we eat dinner together and talk about our daily experiences.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I listen to music or talk with my friends online.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, I check my messages to make sure I did not miss anything important.
Do you study again at night?
Yes, sometimes I review my lessons again to understand them better.
Do you read before sleeping?
Sometimes I read a few pages of a book before going to sleep.
Do you brush your teeth before bed?
Yes, I brush my teeth before sleeping to keep them healthy.
Do you set an alarm clock?
Yes, I set my alarm clock so I can wake up early tomorrow.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock after finishing my activities.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep peacefully so I can wake up refreshed the next morning.